Hi everybody, this is Debbie from Stamp On It, and this is a jammy video. Jammy video is one you can sit in your jammies and watch, and I won't know. And I can be in my jammies and you won't know. So let's get started today. We are going to take a quick look at one of our new 12 card kits. We have a lot of card kits on our website and in our booth when we travel. And a lot of them are made with our glitter film or our 65-pound vellum, our vintage hues. This particular kit is made with the glitter film combination with our art acetate black print. This particular kit is called Bethlehem Luke 2. And as I said, it makes 12 cards or 12 projects of varying design. You'll have 3 sheets of stickers in your kit. You will have, and they will coordinate with the theme and the art acetate that's in here. You will have 12 cards and envelopes. You will have 12 coordinating overlays or frames. And you can or cannot use these. You do not need to use them on your projects, but you can use them if you want. In this particular kit, you also have glue drops. There's 12 glue drops and the glitter that goes with the glue drops. And I'll give you a quick overview on what that's about in a minute. So I'm just going to very quickly show you this kit and the technique or product that's involved in it. 3 coordinating stickers. They will vary sometimes from kit to kit, just depending on the kit that you receive, but they will all coordinate with the theme of the kit. And in this kit, we have our black art acetate. This particular one is 4 on a sheet, so you get 3 sheets of the art acetate, and you also get 3 sheets of our glitter film. So if you were to get this kit, you would begin, I'll remove this extra stuff here. You would begin by taking your art acetate sheet and cutting or trimming it. I use a trimmer, but you can certainly use a scissors and cut this. It doesn't have to be exact at this point, but you would trim it to the size that you want to work with for the front of your card or for your project. All right, so I've gone ahead and cut a sheet ahead of time, and I have taken the glitter film and cut that as well. And again, that is easily cut with scissors or a trimmer, paper trimmer. And you are going to take that glitter film, which is a sheet of embedded glitter. It is adhesive backed. So what we teach to do, especially at the shows and any make and takes we do and such, is we peel back the coating maybe an inch or so. And then we take the art acetate on the back, because you can see through the acetate. You can apply this to the back side. And I'm going to quick slip my glasses on here so I can see what I'm doing. Just roughly align the top edge, and you're going to pull the sheet out and slide down. That allows you to get a nice clean adhesion to the art acetate with the least amount of air bubbles. If you get a few, just press them out. That's not a big deal. Even if you get some really big ones, which you might sometime, take a little pin and prick that, and then you can just press them down. But honestly, they don't show. So now we've adhered it to our art acetate, okay? Now I'm going to take this, and if I was going to put the frame on this one, I would take it, I would put my adhesive on the back side of the frame, then I would adhere it, frame it the way I want. And to adhere it, at this point you can shift your frame to capture the part of the acetate that you want. You can trim the acetate. For example, I'm going to frame this so that it just catches the top edge of the design, and I want the star and the words and Bethlehem at the bottom. So I'm going to have some extra here. So I'm going to take my scissors, which I got to find what I did with it. I'll just take this one. And I'm going to cut this edge off. And I could do this with a trimmer too, but at this point I'm just going to clean that off with my scissors. And now when I adhere it to my frame, it will be on the back side of my frame. Okay. If you were going to adhere this to your card without the frame, you would want to be more exact in how you trim that piece. And that's when I like to use a trimmer, because a trimmer allows you to get that nice clean edge on there a little bit easier. And you don't need a big trimmer. Just a 8-inch trimmer is great. Those are readily available at most craft stores. We don't have them on our website because of that reason. So we try not to compete with the big box stores. You can get them at Walmart, different places like that. So once you've adhered it to the back of your frame, then you would adhere it to the front of your card, like this. Okay. Now, a little neat thing here about this acetate and the glitter film is once you've peeled the glitter film coating off the back, it is translucent, so you can see my fingers through this. So I could, if I wanted to, put a colored sheet behind here first, and then put it to the front of my card, and then frame it. So it would just give it a little bit different tint or hue of color. For example, this one is just mounted onto white. This one is onto a light shade of blue. Can you see that difference there in those two? Okay. These do not have frames on them. We chose not to frame them. We simply trimmed and adhered them down. So this one, at this point, I would have adhered to my card. If I wanted the blue layer under there, I'd put that under there as well. This star gets an embellishment on this particular kit. And in the kit, you have 12 of our glue drops. A glue drop is a dimensional drop of adhesive. So to use that, I would take it and I would actually put my card completely together before I added this. This would kind of be my final thing, even after I added my stickers to it. And I'm not going to do all that embellishing. That's covered in other videos that we have on our website, a little bit more lengthy ones. But to put your glue drop on, you would simply take, and again, I would have my card put together at this point, and I would stick this right from the paper carrier without even touching it. I would put it to my piece, pull up the paper carrier, so the glue drop is left on there, and then there is also in the kit glitter, so you can put your glitter onto your glue drop. And I would put my glitter into a small container. Oops, stuck it to the bottom of the container. And those glue drops, by the way, are very sticky. And then you could simply spoon your glitter on. You want to press it down to the glue drop so it makes contact with that adhesive. And then you can tap off. And our anti-static brush is excellent at this point and cleans up any loose glitters. If you don't have enough stuck on there, put another scoop on, but as you can see, I have plenty on there. And it just adds a really nice embellishment to it. Just really pops that star out. And then my card would, of course, be all put together at that point. So you would have a nice embellishment, and your finished project would look like this once you've added stickers. Here's one with the frame. Okay. Each kit makes 12 cards of varying designs. And there's another one without the frame, but you can certainly use all 12 frames if you like that. The stickers in them are for the front of the card, the inside of the card, or even some people will use the extra stickers that you have, because you do get 3 sheets of stickers, and obviously you're not going to use all of them on your project, but you can also use these on the outside, on the envelope, to embellish your envelope as well for the season. So that is our new, for 2019 holiday, Bethlehem Loop 2 card kit. 12 cards, everything is included. This is what we call one of our add adhesive only kits, and ready to go. You can see this product on our website and order online at www.stamponit.net, as well as other products, techniques, and videos. Thank you for joining us, and happy crafting.